Happy New Year to our viewers. Welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's top stories. Over 81 crore people to get free food grain under the new integrated food security scheme from today. Cities across the globe welcome the year 2023. Jawai celebrates the new year in a unique way. The BSF rescues 31 buffaloes from the international border in East Khasi Hills district from the clutches of smugglers. Uttarakhand Chief Minister visits hospital to see injured Rishabh Pant. Government to honour driver and staff of Haryana Roadways bus. The news in detail. The centre will provide food grains to states under the National Food Security Act free for 1 year from today. Last week, the Cabinet had decided to provide grains under the NFSA free of cost to the 81 crore beneficiaries during 2023. The scheme will also ensure effective and uniform implementation of the Act. Free food grains will concurrently ensure uniform implementation of portability under the One Nation, One Ration card across the country. Cities across the globe welcomed the year 2023 with large crowds gathering for fireworks and light displays. The Pacific nation of Kiribati has welcomed the new year, the first country to enter 2023. The clock ticked into the new year at 10 a.m. GMT, 1 hour ahead of neighbours including New Zealand. People in New Zealand were amongst the first in the world to celebrate the arrival of 2023 with a fireworks display in Auckland on Sunday. With dazzling fireworks and electrifying music, cities across India welcomed the year 2023 with much pomp and show. From Delhi to Mumbai and Chennai to Kolkata, the mood on December 31st night was like a merry-go-round. In Delhi, people in large numbers gathered at India Gate to celebrate the new year. New Year's Day celebrations in Jawai is one event one seldom wants to miss. The unique New Year celebration, which began on 31st December, will culminate on January 2nd. The celebration, which has a 100-year history, got underway with the New Year's Eve bonfire on the night of 31st December. In the evening, people from various dongs or shnongs leaving the warmth of their houses thronged in large numbers to the designated place in their locality, mostly in the premises of their community hall where the bonfire was lit. This was followed by exchange of greetings, a presentation of songs. Since today is Sunday, the second part of the celebrations will take place on Monday. The mega community feast called Bambok Kutsnem will take place tomorrow. A total of 265 new cases of COVID-19 have been reported in the country during the last 24 hours. The recovery rate is currently at 98.8%. India's active caseload currently stands at over 2,706 and is at 0.01%. Meanwhile, the government has reviewed the COVID-19 situation in the country and compliance of various directions from the Prime Minister at a high-level meeting in New Delhi yesterday to ensure preparedness and its effective management. The meeting was chaired by Dr. P.K. Mishra, Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister. Personnel of the 110th Battalion of BSF Meghalaya rescued 31 buffaloes brutally crammed in trucks at the international border of East Khasi Hills on Saturday. These buffaloes were brought there for smuggling to Bangladesh, a BSF source said. The BSF personnel confiscated buffalo-laden trucks on Ichamati to Shela Road, close to the international boundary. Buffaloes were found crammed inside 2 trucks. On seeing the BSF approaching, both drivers ran into the forest, leaving these trucks behind. The 172nd Battalion of the BSF on the same day had also seized cosmetic items worth 8.5 lakh rupees from the international border of East Jaintia Hills. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the 108th Indian Science Congress on Tuesday at 10:30 a.m. through video conferencing. The vocal theme of this year's ISC is Science and Technology for Sustainable Development with Women's Empowerment. It will witness discussions on issues of sustainable development, women's empowerment, and the role of science and technology. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami reached Dehradun's Max Hospital on Sunday afternoon to see star cricketer Rishabh Pant, who is undergoing treatment after getting seriously injured in a road accident near Roorkee. Dhami also inquired about the medical treatment being given to Pant and the progress the cricketer has made from the doctors at the hospital as per official sources. Dhami had announced on Sunday that the Uttarakhand government on 26th January would honour the bus driver and the staff of Haryana Roadways who were responsible for saving Rishabh Pant's life. And now for the weather. The maximum temperature was 13.1 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 79%, dropping marginally to 77% in the evening. The forecast tells us light rain is likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And now for a quick recap of today's headlines. Over 81 crore people to get free food grain under the new Integrated Food Security Scheme from today. Cities across the globe welcome the year 2023. Joai celebrates New Year in a unique way. BSF rescues 31 buffaloes from the international border in East Khasi Hills district from the clutches of smugglers. And Uttarakhand Chief Minister visits hospital to see injured Rishabh Pant. Government to honour driver and staff of Haryana Roadways bus. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening and stay safe. Thank you. No, actually...